Welcome again to another tutorial video. It's your boy Eldohrado. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell notification button among many other things. Today, or in this video, I want to do some levels, but may I show you a quick and easy way how to do levels. So last night on the live stream I cooked up this beat, but what more to do, because there are so many people having issues with levels. As far as I can tell, and this is a method that you can use and do your leveling. So first and foremost, I'm going to turn off the soft clipper here, and I'm going to add a plugin from Plugin Alliance, or you can use any plugin that does Spectral, show you Spectral and a list of or some Spectral plugin of some sort you can really use. So what I'm going to do is use Metric AB, and I'm going to have it on Spectrum, so you can see the spectrum here as is. So what I'm going to do is detach it so you can really see it while I'm doing what I'm doing. Go minimize here, no, hide this, and I'm going to minimize the mixer rack. So I'm going to have the plugin here. Anyways, no, it makes sense me undetach this. Next plugin, what I'm going to add the plugin before Metric AB, and this plugin is called Pink. So I'm going to the source folder and turn it down, turn it off. So what I'm going to do is turn it down to about minus 20 dB or so. And I'm going to solo up every single sound going through. And what I'm looking for is the sound above the pink noise. I'm going to tuck it down below the pink noise and have it below, as we say, have it below the pink noise, so nothing is really poking out except for the bass, and kick should be the loudest sound that's knocking in this beat. So I'm going to turn it on and go through the sounds. So as you can see, some of the sounds are poking out above the pink noise, in which I don't really need a majority of sound poking through the pink noise. So I guess that's it for the pink noise here. So let's listen to the balance of the beat. So everything else you can really do to balance the beat more to your preference. But this is a method to give it a little bit more headroom in terms of certain sounds that are poking out in the mix. And what you can do after now is pan the sound so that the beat can be a little bit more wider in terms of spatial placement in the stereo field. So you can use this to get about 60% of the way, and everything else has to do with the balance, the other 20% that get you there before you start applying plugins. So balancing and panning is important before adding plugins. So make sense here, balance and add plugin same time. So get it on a level if you say what needs to be EQ'd, what needs to be compressed, what needs to be turned on a little bit more in the mix or tucked in the mix before you start adding plugin, because adding plugin and doing balancing at the same time, it show off the whole vibe of the beat. So it's best that you balance the beat and have it on a level before you start adding plugin. So hopefully you really learned something from this video. After a while, your ears will get used to it and you're able to balance on your own without using pink noise and this spectral analyzer that I have here. So you get better at balancing the beat before you even mix and master it. So this is a way how you can really get better balancing until you know how to do it yourself professionally. So this will get it, as we said, this will get you 50-60% of the way. Everything else you do it at your own discretion, destined to the vibe of the beat. So thank you again for watching. Thank you again for tuning in. This is your boy Eldorado. Hope you really grab something from this tutorial video. I'm gonna bore you to death. Until next time, it's your boy Eldorado. Peace out.